Welcome into the Bennie Barre Pilates studio. Today we're doing feet and straps on the reformer, so we want to be on one heavy spring and one light.
It's time for feet and straps. So we're gonna add on a red. We've got one red, one blue, and we're lying down, long loops on the feet. Our first exercise that we're starting out with is the frog. So we're bringing our feet into a V, heels together, toes turned out. Knees are in a V as well, a little bit wider than the shoulders. Keep making sure that your feet aren't facing up to the sky, so you're pressing out here. Really pulling them down so they're facing the wall away from you. Pressing straight out so you're more at a 45-degree angle and bending back in. Flex through the feet as well. Now press those feet out, lengthen, point through the toes, point through the feet. We're going into the opening. So we're lifting up and open in a V. So the legs come wide and back, so they're pointing towards that back wall, making a V shape through the legs. Use those inner thighs to squeeze back in the same direction that you came. So there's no circular motion here. So we're not like coming open, then up, and then pulling back down. Right? We're opening up in that V. We're coming right back the way that we came. One more. Now hold those feet together in a V, actively flex. We're going to go into an extended frog where we're starting out in that opening. So it's that opening exercise. Then we hold the thighs where they are, bend at the knees, bring the heels together. So we should be right back in this frog position from that opening. Then press the legs straight out, legs zip together. And then we go through it again. Open, pull those heels in, press out. Good. Now we're going to reverse that direction of the extended frog. Bend back into the frog position. Now extend the legs actively straight out. Zip those heels together and bend back in. One more. Good. Take those legs straight up to 90 degrees. I'm going to adjust my strap right there. Zip the legs together. They're parallel, so not turned out. And we're going to go into down up. Your pelvis shouldn't be moving around. So we shouldn't see this tipping back and forth of the pelvis. And when your legs come down, they shouldn't come down to a straight line with your body. They should come to a 45-degree angle. Lift up, stretch, press down. Make sure that your hips are never tipping forward at the bottom there, so you shouldn't be losing that trunk stability. Good. Lifting those legs back up, we're going to take hip circles down for 5. Down, out, around, zip together. Good. And then we're going to go in the opposite direction, hip circles up. Open those legs, zip together, hello inner thighs, and straight up. Good. And we're going to end with bent knee hip circles. So you've just experienced in the hip circles how much the hamstrings are being used, how much those hip flexors are being used. If you want something beautiful and lovely for your hips, but your legs are tired, or you just kind of want to focus more deeply there without actively pushing through the legs, come right here. So starting with those knees tucked in, we're going to reach those toes down towards the springs. Open those knees, let the hips come in a full circle, and finally end back in towards the chest. So same circular pattern, different feeling. Now we're just focusing here on really getting this nice wide movement through the hips. One more in this direction. And then let's reverse. So we're tucked in. We're going to open those knees, push around and through, still feeling those inner thighs a little bit. Toes are tipped down, and we're going to pull those knees all the way back into the chest. Good. Right here, let's take our hands. I'm like, oh, where'd my arms go? In between those straps, grab a hold of those feet and come into happy baby right here. Letting those knees pull back, hips open. Give it a little rock from side to side. Nothing crazy. Don't roll off your reformer. Good. And then bring the palms or the soles of the feet together to a nice little diamond shape. The straps are supporting you here. Breathe into it. Good. Fold those legs together. And we're going to go ahead and remove those straps. It's so much more effort to pull the whole way off the leg and re-dock them. Ooh, bringing the feet down.
Thanks so much for joining me today in the studio for some reformer feet and straps. Typically in our reformer classes, we end with feet and straps at the end of every class. If you want to join me for full-length reformer classes, you can join me on my online studio in Patreon. All of that information is in the write-up below. And of course, you can find more reformer workouts just like this here on my YouTube channel, as well as full-length classes. If you love this and want to see more like it, hit that like button to let me know, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time in the studio.